how to fix Vrbo map pin not accurate. So to fix an inaccurate Vrbo map pin, it depends on whether you are using the app as a traveler or a host. If you are a traveler or a guest, just head to your device's settings and then search location services in your search bar. Tap on it. Now scroll down to find Vrbo owner app and then tap on it and make sure that the location access is set to always and the precise location is turned on. Now the next what you can do is restart the app. Just force close the Vrbo owner app and then reopen it to refresh the mapping data. Now if you are a host, what you can do is head to your Vrbo owner app, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, select your listing, then navigate to property to edit your property. Then go to location tab and select map and address settings. Then drag the map into the exact location of your property and make sure that show your property's exact location is selected. Now tap save to complete your process. So that's it for my video, guys. See you in my next one.